Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? You ever do a recording and have your microphone muted? Anyways, that's what I just did. So we're gonna. I just did this video. I'm doing it again because I don't want to splice one together. We're just gonna run with it and go with it. This is Zombie Commission's review tutorial walkthrough, all that fun jazz. Hopefully I don't miss anything because I just did it and I won't go through this bill again. First off though, if you like videos on making money online and reviews, make sure you hit subscribe below and a big thumbs up. Please drop a comment if you want to do certain products that you want me to review, then definitely let me know and I will get on it for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over, there's no demo video with this one, so we're just going to go over and take a look at the my OTO page. So you can look at the basically the bonuses I'm going to be offering, and we're going to go through the upsells. We're going to go through the sales page, and we're going to talk about what is Zombie Commissions. Well, let's talk about what is Zombie Commissions. Zombie Commissions, guys, very cool. It's it's an entire niche site already done for you, all about survival or survivalists and preppers. It's a hot market right now, guys, and it's going to be for years to come, especially with this pandemic. If we get another one or this happens to go on for a long time, people are looking for these kind of products just to be prepared. And you know what happens when people buy these kind of products? They buy everything. So there's tons of money in this niche right now. So what I'm going to do is we'll pop over to the sales page so you can see. Let me show it here. So basically, we can go to the top and let's get to the top here. Oops, not that, guys. This is what you want. Those are all the bonuses. All right, so when every other niche in marketing fails to convert during the apocalypse, unleash the hordes and watch pandemic-based buyer sprees. True, guys, so true. When we have one of the big bass shops or whatever in one of the malls here, and it's crazy how many people are in there buying survival camping stuff. They're all in there doing their shopping. It's huge. I have I sell some survival book. I have a couple funnels of survival stuff. Sell books, recurring income. It's really good stuff. So this is $17 one-time fee, and it comes with. I'm going to get into what it comes with. Super awesome. Basically set up. The sales page has some jumble, sales page jargon on it. We're going to get down to the meat and potatoes, so to speak. So basically these guys went out and said, what's a really profitable niche? And they said, you know what, survival preppers right now. And it's true. So you get the survival suite. So you're going to have, giveaways. It's going to give you all the tools that you need, landing pages. It's got an autoresponder built in. It's got everything that you need right in there. So you're not going to have to go anything. It's completely done site. You just have to send traffic at it, which my bonus page gives you all the free traffic that you want to send at it. You're going to be able to send traffic from Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. We'll get an Instagram one in there for you. So basically, let's go down to what you get. So you're going to get the Zombie Commission Survival Niche Marketing System, and they're going to be charging $49 a month for it. The custom survival site builder, they're going to be charging $49 a month for it, but you get it done. And this is fully hosted, 100% done for you. So it's already there for you. You get the marketing system, you get the step-by-step video tutorials, and you get the fast start guide, you get the quickfire map, and you get the affiliate Q&A. You also get premium support. Now we scroll down some more. Let's see what their bonuses they're throwing in here, because you're definitely going to want to do this, set it up, and just send traffic at it, guys. So you set up a Twitter profile in Survivor Prepper. You set up an Instagram. You set up a Facebook page. Set up an Instagram account. Set up a TikTok account with just all about prepper survival stuff, and then you point them to this site. Everything points back to the site, and you guys just make money. They also have you won't need any of these because these are all basically taken care of in the system. So you don't need ClickFunnels, Aweber, you don't need hosting because that's all done for you. And guys, they say it's $284 a month for that stuff. If you're an affiliate marketer, you know that it's kind of more like a minimum about $500 a month is the cost of your tools. Can you do it cheaper? Can you do different things? Yeah. If you buy one-time products where you don't have to keep paying recurring fees, then yeah, that's the best way to do it. But when you get into those recurring things, man, my ClickFunnels cost me every single month. My Groove, fortunately, I bought the lifetime. Now, if you think Groove is actually going up in the next little while, if you're thinking about buying a funnel builder that's gonna do everything for you, I recommend grabbing Groove before it goes up, because I'm one of the founders, so I got it for I think about 1,500, 1,200, 1,500. But I have everything. I will always have everything. Everything to add to it, I get it, right? And that's what Lifetime does. So if you're interested in that, I would grab it if you have the money to do it now. It's going to be a tool you're going to use for a long time to come. So where are their bonuses here? So free bonus number one, 28,000 in 7 days. So they're going to show you exactly how they were able to generate that. Now, guys, these guys are super affiliates. I don't know if you generate that. If you generated 10% of that, right? Like maybe it's $3,000. That's pretty cool. Or even like 1%. That's still $300 in 7 days, which is, if you're starting out, that's great commissions, guys. There's people that go for months and sometimes a year without making their first sale online, because they just don't know how to do it. They think they know how to do it, and they don't do the things that make money. So just jump on there and get it. And then bonus number two, so these look like they're basically, they're giving you a high ticket product to sell, which is always cool. $500 a day for 30 days. That's another going to be a case study, a couple more case studies. These guys, go through these case studies. Don't think that just because it's a case study, it's valuable information that's going in here. Competition devastator, not sure what that is. Compensate, how to beat the competition. Autopilot, how to basically put it on autopilot. So that's their bonuses, guys. Over to my bonuses. We're going to be giving away my 38 top producing funnels. These are in ClickFunnels, guys. So if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'll put a free link for a 14-day trial, and then you can grab 38 of my top producing. These are what I use for. This is these are my list building funnels, guys, that I send solo ads to all the time. I just change whatever after the email goes in. I change where I'm directing it to. But a lot of these are already set up for top money making ClickBank products and other products. So you definitely want to check that out. My 6-figure blueprint checklist is always a good one. And then we've got Twitter automator, LinkedIn automator, TikTok automator, some more training, 100 email autoresponder plus this is email subject lines. So that's a great bonus for you guys. And we're going to go now to the offer itself. So what is it? So you get the front end for $17. It's going to probably have some limitations. So I always recommend getting the first upsell, right? Always get, guys, like no matter what. Now to get that, remember, I don't want a thumbs up for this. If you're on the page, you go to leave, scroll off the page, and an upsell or a discount will come up, and you get those downsells. Or if you say no thank you, I think you get them as well. But it's better to scroll off because you get the thing. Now the done for you is the OTO number 2. If you're afraid of tech, then definitely get the done for you to do it. What's cool is they have their VA, which will assist you, which is really awesome. I've paid for a couple of done for yous. They work when you don't have time. But I recommend trying to do it yourself, going through and trying to do it yourself. If you're really, stretched, message me. I can see if I can unstick you, but you can always grab this in the back office, as an upgrade when you're doing it. But I recommend learning how to do it yourself is really good. Traffic on tap, which is cool. They're going to retarget your site and send traffic back to you from their old sites. Partner with Jamie, of course, if you want to go into a mentoring program, it's always good. Ultimate download, looks like ultimate download. Not only will you be able to download actual advertising campaigns, a keyword. So there's an actual PSD. So you can sell another product there. So you 100% commission on that. Unlimited autoresponder. So the autoresponder that comes in the system has some limitations. So this probably unlocks that. Marketplace, they have a marketplace to sell their other products. And then the vendor edition, you get the resale rights of 5 of Jamie's most high converting funnels. So that is the review of, where am I here? Zombie commissions. I like it. This is cool. Like these guys really thought outside the box and went, what's a niche that we can make a product in, and we can base a product around that's going to help people, basically help people get feel safer for one, but also make, as affiliates, make money in this niche. Like, and guys, this is a great niche. And like I said, so think about your game plan, right? Like, what are you gonna do? So you have this niche site. If you just set up the site and don't do anything, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna go. You're not gonna get any traffic there. So what you need to do, you're gonna have to set up I would set up a Facebook page, survival prepper Facebook page. Just put some information up there, and maybe even set up a group and just have people comment, and in your group just say link back to your site. Instead of then of course that group or page would have, so create a page makes a group. If you don't know how to do this, message me. I can totally help. It takes minutes, guys. You set up a page, set up a group, put a couple links on there. You're done. Then Instagram, really easy. Just start doing it like one post a day or one post a week, whatever. You start building up an Instagram following there. Twitter, set up TweetX, right? Set up a Twitter profile, and then start creating prepper memes, quotes, all that stuff. Remember, the link is always in your profile on Twitter. You can also put links right into your tweets, so that's really cool. Start following and unfollowing people in the prepper survival world, of course. Probably mixed martial arts, all that stuff as well would fit in there. Gun enthusiasts, that kind of stuff. So you've got all that kind of crew that you'd be targeting to start following and building your Twitter base. And then TikTok, of course, do what you do on TikTok. TikTok is kind of wide open. You can do whatever you want. So that's what I would do, and I would drive it all back to your site. Once you get that going, it might take you a couple of months to get the momentum going, but once you get that momentum going, you're going to have traffic, especially if you grab their retargeting traffic. You're going to be having your just stuff going to your site. Boom, people sign up on your list. Your autoresponder series is going. It's selling for you. It really can. If you spend some time setting it up, you could really have an automated business that just sort of runs. You just have to kind of jump on, maybe 20 minutes, an hour a day, do a new meme, do a new quote, put it onto your, and do the same one. You can do, like, consistency across your social media is so important. So if you do a meme for Instagram, put it on your Facebook, put it on your Instagram, put it on your Twitter, make the program retweet it. Actually, a program just came out called Electrify. Check out my review of it. It's a full Twitter marketing suite, so that's really, really great. I highly recommend that. And then there's your business, guys. And then just once you have that done, once that's working like crazy, you could expand into another niche, right? Or expand on that niche. Double down, like start selling Amazon products, or create like your store and have another store, depending on what is all in there. But that's what I highly recommend doing. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. It's a great niche. It's and having all this built for you for, what is it, $50? Like, that's insane. Hosted for you. You're not paying recurring fees. It's kind of a no-brainer on this one to get this thing fired up and going. So make sure you click the link below. Again, if you want to check out, I talked about Groove and I talked about ClickFunnels in there. I'll put the links in there below for you if you want to check those out to grab my funnel of my landing pages, of course. Just you need to have ClickFunnels so you can import them in. I'm actually thinking about moving them all into Groove as well. So that way, if someone already has Groove, they can just get it. And if you already have ClickFunnels, you can get it as well. I love both of those programs. I use them all the time. So that, again, this has been Zombie Commissions review, demo, walkthrough, and of course, a little bit of training. My name is Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Hit the subscribe button below, and please give us a thumbs up and a comment. See you on the next one. Bye.